So when I was using Ubereats, I was using the built-in, well I still am using the built-in sat-nav, which 8 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10 gets you near enough to the address. You can open up on Ubereats the option to use Waze or Google Maps as well. And Justeat, you can open up any of the apps you want. Now this is interesting. Justeat, I open up Apple Maps, and I will show you why. But Apple Maps, you can literally pinpoint the dot to the building that they're in. So when you get to later shifts and it's dark and you can't see anything, it's really, really good for honing in exactly where the door is or where the building is. Because you can see the building, you can see where the dot is on the building as well. So that's helped me load, especially with flats and new builds when I'm completely lost. Apple Maps comes in amazing. You can't use Apple Maps with Ubereats though, which is annoying. So there's only twice Apple Maps has failed me, and I've had to use Google Maps to try and roughly work out where exactly I need to go. But if I had a choice, and I've even put it down as a suggestion, I've asked Uber to start using Apple Maps as well. So Apple Maps is the best one, I think personally, for food delivery, absolutely the best. So yeah, go through them. Let's see what you think, and let me know what you use. But for food deliveries, 100% Apple Maps.